given the data governance, how, enterprises, specifically the finance departments, are, having challenges adopting AI, and what are their challenges adopting, data governance for AI use cases? Are there, why are they not able to deploy? I think we heard that 95% of the projects are being failing and they're not successful. Can we talk about, what are the real hindering reasons or issues that are stopping them?
Okay, so first of all, I would like to just talk about the data governance part. Okay, so when we are talking about AI, adoption of AI and so many things we are talking, but governance, I would say it's the backbone of the AI. I would simply say that. Okay, what's the meaning of that? If your data is not in place, your data is not correct, your quality is not up to the mark, it is not going to work with the AI at all. This is the first thing I would like to say. And just during this discussion, I was looking at the LinkedIn, and I just came to know about a very cartoonish, I would say, picture there, where everyone is talking about AI strategy, which was just like a tip of iceberg. But behind the scene, there are a lot of things which are not yet fixed. First thing I would say that data has been siloed. This is the first thing. No one is talking about that. Okay. Yes, there is a lot of challenges around it. Like if we are going by the transformation route, it is going to cost you a lot. This is the first thing. Most organizations are facing. Why should I move my data? They are first asking this. Second thing is about if I am going by the transformation route, how much cost I am going to incur? Okay, this is another question being asked. And third question is, I have so many legacy applications. If I'm going to cover those business area with the help of AI, or I want to introduce AI into it, how I'm going to first modernize them, and then I can untap their actual business value of it. So this is another challenge organizations are feeling. So if I'm just summarize my thoughts, it is basically governance is actually sticking in the 4 core areas. Data has been siloed, legacy issues, modernization cost, and undocumented your business processes. Thanks.
No, I think you need the 4th generation platform, I think, to solve these problems, I think. So just a quick follow-up question on that. And maybe, what should finance departments or enterprises should do to get the real outcomes? Maybe fixing
For me, to just go by some sort of like taxonomies, or I would say recently like semantic layer or ontology. So I'm usually talking in those terms because see, if you're looking at the certain products which are already there in the market, like Palantir and all those things, they are talking from the ontologist point of view, and their results about, results in terms of business outcome, they are fantastic. They are churning the data in such a way that they are speaking the business language, not the technical one. So that's where I feel that there has to be some shift we have to make where data should speak business processes and business language rather than just technology thing. Because technologies are keep changing at this point of time. Yeah, thanks.
Thank you so much. And now let's, Praveen Sonia fixed all the data problems. So now we have a very good data. So the next topic is how do we trust it? What kind of transparency, trust that we can apply AI on top of the data. So my next question to Sharon is, um, so if you have to implement, like, maybe, very important AI projects, especially on the governance side, maybe what are one or two of the top priorities, that the top things that you would like to implement first, so that your AI projects can be successful. So maybe I'll start with Praveen again. So what are the one or two top AI governance related, you will do to start an AI project?
Yeah, see, although I will be try to answer in two folds here. First is AI. So of course, right at this point of time, everybody is working on different sort of projects, but still we are lacking somewhere about some orchestration thing, right? So we are developing agents, we are deploying them, trying to get some value out of it. But thing is, where is the orchestration? So this is something still we feel missing. And if you ask me, what first thing I would do in the year 26, I think I should start working, or I should, whatever thought process I'm having, I will start measuring it in terms of like orchestration process. This is from the AI perspective. Second thing is about the data governance. Because it is one of the most important aspect I'm thinking. So there are two aspects I would really love to take care. First one is data quality. See, in our Tech Mahindra, we are usually doing a framework called data quality as a service, where we are like embedded AI, where whenever we have some data quality issues and all those things, so AI itself detecting those issues and fixing it. So data quality is another aspect which I really want to take care of that. And uh, not the last, but I would say that if you think AI is a storm, then I would say there is one more hurricane is brewing, that is post-quantum cryptography. Okay, so I would say that with the rise of the quantum computing, people will start thinking about how data security is going to, take care with regard to that. Because at this point of time, whenever we are talking about from the data governance, of course, security is part of that only. So this new type of compliance will actually, disturb the whole process, because it is going to disturb in multiple fold, like how we are going to store the data, how much storage basically we have to increase. Because see, with the help of post-quantum cryptography, size is going to increase. Your KMS keys size are going to increase. So all these things are actually going to impact your entire data ecosystem. So yes, from the compliance standpoint, this is something we have to have a very seamless process, where if there is some new compliance are come into the picture, they are seamlessly integrated with our frameworks and all. So this is something I feel that we have to take care of that.
Absolutely, I think, those are all the foundational things.